Jamaica Criminal Records Office goes digital. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Police High Command in a release says as it continues its robust transformation process of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, one of the major services to the public is being the overhaul to impact the efficiency and customer service satisfaction. The Criminal Records Office, which produces police records and other products for a variety of purposes, which began digitizing parts of its processes and adding new locations for pickup of completed records, will be expanding the police certificate application management system to its subsites at Submit, St. James, Pompano Bay, St. Mary and Maypen, Clarendon, the release stated. The first major change sees the process of setting an appointment moving online. After paying the requisite fee at the Tax Administration Office, persons must now visit the Jamaica Constabulary Force website to set an appointment. The online process requires a digital photograph, pictures of the tax administration receipt, and pictures of a valid government-issued ID. After completing the online application process, persons will receive an email with instructions on the next steps to take. Persons will be required to print the application form in color and take it along with the photograph that was uploaded to the website on the day of their appointment. Manual appointments have been discontinued. Persons who had made manual appointment and had been given date beyond March 25, 2024 must reapply online to schedule their appointment and receive a new date and time. Completed police records must be collected at the various fingerprinting subsites, Submit, St. James, Pompano Bay, St. Mary and Maypen, Clarendon at the appropriate times. Applicants who are fingerprinted in Kingston will collect completed forms at the Police Officers Club, Kingston 6 between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. No collection will be done at the downtown Kingston office. To support the public during the transformation process, helplines have been established for assisting persons. The Jamaica Constabulary Force in the release said that it is encouraging persons to make use of the avenues as they work to improve the services for the benefit of all. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.